चालू किया. These are two shutter sections, same shutter section. So to fix the mullion, first mullion is used to make a 90-degree joint like this for the shutter section. So for this, first we have to remove this screw from the mullion and then insert this part like this into this groove. Like this, and we have to screw this part at the desired position which we require a 90-degree. So like this, and this has been fixed now. And now we have to make a slot over here so that it can go like this. In this slot is used so that it can go like this. So now like this, and now you can see the thread over here. So just use this screw from outside. With the help of Allen key, drill it inside. And a 90-degree mullion is ready.